I was blown away the first time I tried this DIY shampoo on my hair. And I know you will want to try this after watching this video. This shampoo does not only double your hair growth, but it also improves the overall health of your hair, preventing hair damages, dandruff, frizz, adding some shine and smoothness to your hair. This has been part of my hair growth journey after I did my big chop, and now this is where I am now. So if you want to know how to make this DIY shampoo, make sure you are watching to the end. And hey guys, I want this video to reach a lot of people, and the only way you can help me do this is to share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Let's get into the recipe. Hello beautiful people, welcome back. So let's get into the ingredients. The first ingredient we're going to use is cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon stick is rich in micronutrients like iron, magnesium, and calcium, all of which are necessary for proper cycle of hair growth. It is able to remove buildup from the scalp, allowing for healthier follicles that in turn promote better hair growth. Cinnamon can be used to treat scalp acne, dandruff, and it can also reduce hair breakages and split ends. The next ingredient we're going to use is the cloves. If you've been following me on this channel, you will know I love cloves because of what cloves do to my hair. Cloves promote hair growth, it adds some shine to the hair, it also serves as a conditioner to the hair. It can help treat dandruff, it prevents premature growing of hair, and it also keeps hair loss. So you see, adding cloves to this shampoo will make it work even much more better. The next ingredient I'm going to use is African black soap. African black soap has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory qualities, and this makes this soap really special. This soap is made from West Africa, and every ingredient used in this soap is all natural. It can help to maintain and support a healthy scalp. It cleanses the hair. It can help with dandruff. If you have any scalp issues, this soap can really help. It's very moisturizing, helping to hydrate hair and soften hair strands. This will reduce frizz and can also make curly hair both more manageable and have greater volume. So today we're going to use this for our shampoo. There are other ingredients I'm going to add to this shampoo to make it even work much more better. So make sure you are watching to the end because I'm going to introduce these ingredients in the later part of this video. And also I'm going to give instructions on how to use this soap for its maximum benefit. So make sure you are watching to the end. So I'm going to start by putting my cloves in a saucepan like so, and I added about 2 cups of water. Then after that, I'm going to add my cinnamon stick and boil the two together for about 10 to 15 minutes, or till you see the color change to brown color. Then after that, I'm going to turn off the heat, and this time we're going to use this water whilst it's still hot. Guys, make sure you are listening to the instructions. I know most of you do not watch the video to the end, so they still ask the same questions in the comment section. So please make sure you are paying attention and watching this video because this recipe can really help with your hair growth journey. So we are using the water whilst it's still hot. We are not going to wait for it to cool down. And at this point, I'm going to add my African black soap. Remember, in the beginning, I chopped this African black soap into little pieces. That way, that will make it easier for it to dissolve. So make sure you are chopping this African black soap into little pieces. It's going to take about 2 hours for it to dissolve. So after that, I'm going to cover it with a foil sheet to make sure all the heat is contained in to help with the dissolve process. And every now and then, I will come back, open it, give it a good stir to make sure it is doing its work. I cover it back to put in the heat, then I will come back again to check it. I'm going to do this often, that way giving it a stir will also help it to dissolve much faster. Then after 2 hours, our soap will be ready. And guys, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster. Also share this video with at least one person so they can also learn this recipe and use it for their hair growth. Okay, so make sure you are straining the water out very well because there are some particles in the African black soaps that you do not want it in your hair. Then I'm going to add my aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is really great for our hair. It can help prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and also improve the overall strength of the hair. So we're going to add some to the soap today. And the next ingredient we're going to add is lavender oil. Aside the nice fragrance of the lavender oil, it also helps strengthen the strands of the hair. I love adding lavender oil to all my DIY recipes. Also, we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil can help with dandruff. It can help strengthen the strands of your hair. It can also help provide some shine to your hair and prevent frizz. Adding this will even make the soap work much better and add some more shine to your hair. After I'm going to give it a stir and make sure everything is stirred in really good. I'm going to transfer it into an applicator bottle to make the use very much easier. Then you're going to see some foam forming on top of the bottle. So we're going to set it aside for a little bit to make sure the foam is all settled. And this is what we are having now when the foam is all settled like so. And hey guys, make sure you show this girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and do not forget to click on that bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. And hey, share this video so others can also learn how to make this DIY shampoo. So this is time for me to wash my hair, and my hair just came out of a protective hairstyle. So I started by wetting all my hair, making sure it's soaked and wet. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my DIY shampoo. And guys, let me say this before I forget. This is a clarifying shampoo, meaning you use it like once every month. This will help treat your scalp, and as we all know, new hair grows from the scalp, so it will promote hair growth, and also it will help promote the overall health of your hair. And guys, when you're using the shampoo, make sure you are working it in that hair. You are working it every part of the hair, your scalp, all the strands, your edges, and every problematic place in your hair, because this is going to cleanse your hair of everything like dandruff or any infections that you have on your scalp. And look at how smooth my hair is. Come a little closer. Probably you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Look at that. This so guys, I am just short of words. I don't even know what to say. You just have to try this and let me know in the comment section. It made my hair feel so smooth. There was no frizz. It was easy to use. It cleansed my scalp. I was super excited after trying this soap. And one thing I like about this soap is everything used in it is all natural. Even the ingredients in the black soap is all natural. Look at my hair, guys. Look at my hair. Come a little closer and take a look. I am so excited about how this made my hair feel. Look at my scalp. Everywhere is all clean. Look at the shine it's adding to my hair. And guess what? My curls are even popping. You should give this a try and let me know how it makes your hair feel. This is a must try, and I love it on my hair. So after that, I'm going to dry with a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt. Make sure you are always using a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel to dry your hair to prevent hair breakages. Then I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, doing my regular moisturizing process. Then I'm going to go in with my cloves oil. Guys, if you haven't seen the recipe for this oil, you need to check it out, because this oil can help you grow your bald spot. It can help with your edges. If you are losing your edges, if you have any dandruff, this oil can really help you. So make sure to check the video out and make one for yourself. And the next thing I'm going in with is my cloves and hibiscus batter. This batter is everything, guys. I'm going to leave the video in the description box. Check that video out, because this can also help with your dandruff. It can help you grow your hair really fast. You know me, I love everything about cloves, so I use it in a lot of my DIYs and have seen a lot of improvements in my hair ever since I started using cloves. And all these DIYs has really contributed to my hair growth, and I cannot even stop using them, because guess what? They are all natural, no chemicals added to it, and I make them myself, so I know what is in it. And guys, always make sure you are putting your hair in a protective hairstyle after every treatment to lock in the moisture. Leaving your hair out will dry out your hair, and you're going to start breaking your hair, and you do not want that. I had so much fun filming this video, and I hope you also had fun watching. I know you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and click on the bell for future videos. And hey, I hope you have left me a lovely comment that I'm going to read. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. But before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.